For the given circle, the measure of arc ABC equals to 130 positive 7x degrees and the measure of arc ACB equals to 90 positive 3x degrees. What is the value of x? Okay, in the given circle, let's consider the measure of arc ABC over here and also consider the measure of arc AC over here. Okay, when I combine the measure of arc ABC and the measure of arc AC, it completes the circle. We know that the angle in full circle is 360 degrees. Okay, now let me combine the two arcs I mentioned, that is measure of arc ABC and measure of arc AC. So when I combine these two arcs, that completes a circle, and the angle in full circle is 360 degrees. We have the measure of arc ABC, that is 130 positive 7x. We can plug in this one for ABC over here. And I do not know the measure of arc AC. If I know the measure of arc AC, I can plug in that one over here, and we can solve for x in this equation. Now my aim is to get the measure of arc AC. For that, I consider the angle measure over here, 35 degrees. This is the angle subtended at a point of the circle by this arc BC. Now let me consider the angle subtended by the same arc BC at the center of the circle. Okay, now first let me take the center over here, connect the center of the circle and the point C on the circle, and also connect the center of the circle and point B on the circle. This is the angle subtended by this arc BC at the center of the circle. In any circle, the angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc is 2 times the angle subtended by the same arc at any point on the circle. Already we know that this 35 degrees is the angle subtended by this arc BC at a point on the circle. Now to get the angle subtended at the center by the same arc, we have to take 2 times of this 35 degrees. So the angle subtended by this arc BC at the center of the circle is 70 degrees. So the same angle measure we can consider as the measure of arc BC over here, that is 70 degrees. Already we have the measure of arc ACB over here in the given information, that is 90 positive 3x degrees. From this measure of arc ACB 90 positive 3x, we have to subtract this 70 to get the measure of this arc AC. Okay, let me do it separately. So to get the measure of arc AC, what we need to do is we have to consider the measure of arc ACB over here, that is measure of arc ACB, from which we have to subtract the measure of arc BC. Let me write it. Okay, the measure of arc ACB is 90 positive 3x degrees. Let me write it. And the measure of arc BC, just now we got it 70 degrees. Let me write it. Okay, now we can combine this 90 and negative 70, then I'm getting 20. We can take this positive 3x as it is. Okay, here I got the measure of arc AC, that is 20 positive 3x. Now let me take this equation. Okay, here for this one, we have the value that is 130 positive 7x. Let me plug in. And for measure of arc AC, just now we got it 20 positive 3x. Let's plug in 20 positive 3x. On the right side, we have 360. Okay, now let's combine the like terms over here. When I combine positive 7x and positive 3x, I'm getting positive 10x. When I combine these two values, I'm getting positive 150. On the right side, we have 360. Let me subtract 150 from both sides of this equation. Then this positive value, negative value will cancel out. I'm getting 10x on the left side. On the right side, we have 210. Let me divide both sides of the equation by 10. This 10 will cancel out. I'm getting x on the left side. On the right side, 210 by 10 is 21. Here I got the value of x. The value of x is 21.